So I think AP does a great job with the open house. I love how they start with an overview from Dr. Hickey, and he really stresses the mission of the school. And then it's great to have a student-led tour. So interactive, and getting the demos in the different classes is really helpful to get a feel for how the school works and the different interactions between upper school and middle school, and meeting the teachers is always a great experience. And then it's wonderful to have the opportunity to come through Melia and see the different academics and focus on some of the clubs that really interest you and get exposed to some of the athletics as well. So I think learning about the STEM program was excellent. It's something that we hadn't been exposed to in the past. So meeting the head of the STEM program, learning how he can work that into his school day through electives, and then they also have club opportunities was great. And then meeting some of the coaches. The football and baseball is something my son's interested in, and it was great to meet coaches and players and learn about how he can get involved in the programs at the middle school level.
Open house I thought was great. I think Dr. Hickey really did a great job of kind of introducing us to the school and to the foundational elements of St. Augustine, and the fact that the whole premise of Caritas, Unitas, Veritas is baked into every element of the school program. So I thought that was enlightening to hear. It was nice to know kind of how it's into everything here in the school, from the athletics to the academics and beyond.
They did a nice job of taking us around to see the middle school as well as the high school, all the activities that are available for them, whether it be athletics or dance and theater, music, arts. It just seemed like there's so many things available for them to partake in, and that they're encouraged to participate. You know, being involved in clubs every year that they're here seemed like a neat exposure to them, to all different things to try.
Something like today is, so much stuff is done online. You can obviously visit a lot of these places online, but to go in person, I think, really gives you the sense of the community, the culture, the environment, which you're not going to get in an online experience. So it's nice to see face-to-face people like Mrs. Simmons, the director of admissions here, who's so welcoming and friendly, and the other teachers that you're meeting, the students. Just gives you kind of a comprehensive picture of what a day in a life would look like at Austin Prep.
So I think really in deciding which school would be the best fit for our children, my son in particular going into 6th grade, is Dr. Hickey said it in his remarks, that supports parents in raising their children. We love the Augustinian focus here, and that all the faculty and staff are on mission. That's really important to us in building a community that supports our children, not only academically, but in other aspects of life as well.